The state has identified another positive case of COVID-19 in Minnehaha County, bringing the state total to 11. The newly identified patient is a woman in her 50s. She's Minnehaha County's fifth case of COVID-19. The Department of Health website says all cases in South Dakota are still travel-related, and there is no community spread of the disease at this time. This state now has 35 tests still pending, and 551 tests have come back negative. Governor Kristi Noem announced this afternoon that schools will remain closed another week. She says the additional week is intended to allow for adequate lab testing and supplies. The governor met with leadership from Sanford and Avera Health Systems. Both systems are working towards offering test results in their own labs. Sanford President and CEO Kelby Krabbenhoft hopes to have hundreds of tests available daily by the end of this week. In a historic move, federal transportation officials are waiving regulatory hours for drivers transporting goods in response to the COVID-19 outbreak. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration is declaring a national emergency to provide relief for freight-carrying commercial vehicles. The order applies to drivers transporting food supplies and equipment needed to restock stores. It also includes medical supplies for testing and treatment of COVID-19. The declaration is the first time the FMCSA has issued nationwide relief. And earlier today, Sioux Falls Mayor Paul Tenhaken announced the One Sioux Falls Fund to help those who come under financial hardship because of the pandemic. He says the goal is to help Sioux Falls residents avoid evictions and other hardships if they're unable to work due to COVID-19, and if they don't qualify for other state or federal assistance. He adds the fund is open to the entire Sioux Falls metropolitan statistical area. That includes Minnehaha, McCook, Lincoln, and Turner counties. For South Dakota Public Broadcasting, I'm Jackie Hendry.